beers and hot dogs.
Golly, man.
Dude, y'all should have seen it when we first got up here.
What?
It's wild, man.
What happened?
I don't know.
Was it in a wreck?
Blew up.
No.
They got a guy over there trying to put out the diesel going into his yard.
Golly.
Yep, not with the food. Where's your birthday, Jack? Come on, okay.
Mine was first week before it in. I didn't know
He's
where
just
I
gonna
had it.
blow that damn diesel. Dang, man. Where's the guy that was in it?
Look, it's nothing. The whole hood, the roof of the cab.
That must have just happened.
It couldn't happen. It had to happen a while ago.
Golly.
Look at all these people. Woo.
Yeah. Right now you might. Well, even if you're headed down Hawks Ridge Road or Allison.